San Antonio Health Insurance and Dealing with Your Negotiated PPO Fees, by Charles Peeler, www.sanantoniotxinsurance.org. Many people want to know more about San Antonio Health Insurance. Are you one of them? If so, you might find the following article helpful in your search for information. We hope you find some useful pointers. Health Insurance, Negotiated PPO Fees, by Charles Peeler. There is definitely a lot to think about and learn when it comes to getting Texas health insurance. One of the most important aspects that you'll need to think about is the different benefits that you get and the details of your policy. There is a part of your coverage that you need to think about and understand very clearly. If you choose to work with a PPO, or preferred provider organization, you will need to understand what negotiated PPO fees are and what you need to know about them. The PPO plan is simply one that is based on the relationships that certain insurance companies have with providers of healthcare services. With the PPO Texas Health Insurance Plan, there is a pre-approved list of providers that are known as participating or in-network providers. These plans also approve of the use of out-of-network or non-preferred providers, but you will pay more for their services. You will have plenty of access, choice, and you don't have to be tied to one primary care physician with this type of insurance. These plans are popular because of many different advantages, and one of the best advantages is the negotiated PPO fees that you get with them. Negotiated PPO fees sounds complicated, but it's a fairly simple concept. This is how it works: when you use a provider that is in-network, you get charged a negotiated amount, negotiated between the insurance company and the provider, which is much lower than what someone without the plan would pay. That's really all there is to it. Texas Health Insurance offers various PPO and HMO plans for consumers who need to get their own health insurance and employers who offer insurance to their employees. By choosing a PPO, you will get the chance to pay lower rates on your visit simply because you're a member of the program. Here's an example. A patient sees a family doctor without insurance. Their visit costs $120. A patient with a PPO plan sees the same family doctor for the same reason. They will generally pay 50% to 75% less for the same service. Texas Health Insurance has many different intricacies to think about. The details are often confusing and many people don't understand them, so they turn to insurance brokers. This is a great resource to have, so you should take advantage of it when you can. To learn more about Texas health insurance or PPO versus HMO plans, contact your local broker today. Charles Peeler is an industry expert in Texas health insurance. To learn more about him or to acquire a free Texas health insurance price quote, visit peelerinsurance.com. Article source: asinarticles.com/expert=Charles Peeler. There are lots of issues to be considered about San Antonio health insurance, and those that are heavily into the subject are likely to want to know more. Even if this article serves as no more than an introduction, nothing stops you from putting the information to good use. Article source: asinarticles.com/expert=Charles Peeler. Music by Kevin MacLeod.